Between them, they've known 185 years of life's experiences. 90 years in the case of the Queen, 95 years in the case of the Duke. He celebrates his birthday today. But it's the long life of a monarch which brings together a congregation within St. Paul's Cathedral for a national service of thanksgiving. A moment for gratitude for this monarch's qualities.
For her faithful devotion, dutiful commitment, loving leadership, gentle constancy, royal dignity, and kindly humanity.
She's been known to tell clergymen not to overdo the praise on occasions like this, but as family members who will follow in her footsteps and politicians whose time on the national stage comes and goes, listened, the Archbishop of Canterbury defined a contribution to national life, the like of which we will not see again.
So we look back on Your Majesty's 90 years in the life of our nation with deep wonder and profound gratitude. Through war and hardship, through turmoil and change, Your Majesty, today we rejoice for the way in which God's loving care has fearfully and wonderfully sustained you, as well as Prince Philip marking his 95th birthday today.
Reflections on the passing of the years, written by one 90-year-old, the Paddington Bear creator Michael Bond, read by another 90-year-old, Sir David Attenborough, featured words used by the Queen's father George VI when Britain stood alone in the Second World War.
Truly, if you put your hand into the hand of God, that shall be to you better than light and safer than a known way.
Members of different faith groups joined an act of thanksgiving, a reminder of how Britain has changed during the course of the Queen's reign. One feature, though, has remained constant, and for that person, on this day, the congregation sang the national anthem with more than usual feeling. The Queen left St. Paul's, steadying herself on a specially installed handrail. At 90, a fully engaged head of state on the first of 3 days marking this latest milestone.